Hello friends, I will introduce the Victorinox Waiter from the compact Swiss Army knives series. It has a length of 84 millimeters, which are 3¼ inch. It has a blade which is really sharp out of the factory. A corkscrew which fulfills very functional and strongly its duty, and a multi-tool which is a screwdriver. You can use it as well as a Phillips screwdriver at this angle, a cap lifter and a tin opener and a wire stripper. One of the very functional tools of the Swiss Army knives. And for sure it has the toothpick and the tweezers. I think it is the most compact tool or pocket knife of the Swiss Army series. It's very small and thin. It's easy to carry, and you can do everything, nearly everything, with this 3 function, or 5 with the tweezers and the toothpick, with the 5 function pocket knife, which have the others bigger versions of the Swiss Army pocket knife. Thank you very much. Bye.